Hi guys, in front of me is REALME 14x, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. At first, open the settings, then find and select System and Update, mark Backup with Reset, and now choose your Google account under Google Backup. If you want to activate it, just mark data that you wish to backup. In my case, it's both photos and videos, along with other device data like contacts, call history, device settings, app setup data, and messages. Tap on Confirm. And that's it. If you wish to manage your backup, just mark Manage Backup, and it is set. From now on, your device backs up data automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.